Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Solutions. Today I will be showing you how to clean a charging port on an iPhone. Now guys, as you can see, sometimes you will find some kind of particles, debris in the charging port, but you don't know how to clean it. Sometimes you're scared of cleaning it, thinking that it might damage the charging port itself. But guys, this is a simple method and it's very easy. Let me show you. Let's get started. What we need for this cleanup is a toothbrush, alcohol, toothpick, and a wiping cloth. First, take the toothpick, try and slowly remove the debris from inside. Try and remove as much as debris as you can. As you can see in this phone, there was a lot of debris inside the charging port. And yeah, there you go. It's coming out. You see that? It's coming out. Now, you feel that, okay, now it's coming out. I think it's not going to come out anymore. If your phone charges, well and good. If your phone still does not charge, what do you do next? You take this alcohol, you find that over the counters in grocery stores, in CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, you will find that all across. Basically, there will be like the 91% alcohol, first aid, antiseptic. You can use a little of it, not too much, just a little, maybe a few drops. Okay, and with the toothpick, what you would do is just try and take it out. All right, once you feel that, okay, you have taken out the debris, you just brush it up just to make sure everything is out. All right, easy. Okay, once that is done, we wipe this charging port with a cloth. Maybe the debris went into the speakers, so you can brush the speakers as well and then wipe it off. Try and put the cloth a little inside. And that should do the job. All right. Now let's charge and see if it works fine. So I'm going to take this cable and put it in. There you go. It's charging. All right, let me check it once again. There you go. There you go. It's charging, guys. So this method is very simple. It can be fixed at home as well. If at all you do the step and it's still not charging, I recommend you can go to the Apple Store and get it fixed there. But 90% of the times, if we do the step correctly, this resolves the problem. Thank you guys. See you next time.